Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights or the account credentials ready. Remove networks often needs elevated permissions. Next, open File Explorer now using Windows key plus E so you're in the right context. Once done, select Network in the left navigation to reveal mapped items and network locations. Make sure Network Discovery is visible. If needed, enable it briefly in Settings so the items appear. This sets you up to remove the target network entry cleanly. You'll now find the precise network share or map drive you want gone. Right-click the map drive or network location and choose Disconnect or Remove. This deletes the shortcut without touching server data. If an account prompt appears, enter admin credentials and proceed. After confirming, allow File Explorer a moment to refresh so the entry disappears. If multiple entries exist, repeat stepwise. Make sure you remove only the intended items to avoid breaking shared access for others. Finish by cleaning up cached credentials. Open Credential Manager and remove any saved network passwords so the link doesn't reappear. Once completed, restart File Explorer or sign out and back in to ensure the UI updates. If an entry remains, use the command prompt. Run NetUse to list mappings and NetUseX/delete to remove stubborn ones. If problems continue, reboot the machine. That often clears locks. If you still get errors, check permissions on the server or share to locate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.